Eyebrow powder, a simple guide to enhancing your look. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of beauty and makeup, eyebrow powder. This video is perfect for English language learners interested in expanding their vocabulary in the world of cosmetics. So, let's dive in and discover what eyebrow powder is all about. Eyebrow powder is a cosmetic product used to fill in and define the eyebrows. It's typically made from a pigmented powder that closely matches the natural color of your eyebrows. Unlike eyebrow pencils, which provide sharp, defined lines, eyebrow powder offers a softer, more natural look. It's perfect for filling in sparse areas and giving your eyebrows a fuller appearance. Using eyebrow powder is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose the right shade. Pick a shade that closely matches your natural eyebrow color. 2. Prepare your eyebrows. Brush your eyebrows with a spoolie brush to see where you need to fill in. 3. Apply the powder. Using an angled brush, gently apply the powder to your eyebrows, focusing on sparse areas. 4. Blend for a natural look. Use the spoolie brush again to blend the powder for a natural effect. Light touch. Start with a small amount of powder. You can always add more if needed. Blend well. Blending is key to avoiding harsh lines. Complement your face shape. Shape your eyebrows in a way that complements your face. And that's all there is to using eyebrow powder. It's a fantastic tool for enhancing your natural beauty and perfecting your makeup look. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what eyebrow powder is and how to use it effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment. See you in the next video.